look what was happening right here in Lidiang. This is the alternate road heading to the south. If heavy rainfall occurred, but still traffic. But we have no choice. Slowly by slowly, I think this way is better than passing Rightson Road, where the road was flooded with heavy traffic. We're still 700 meters away from our home. But slowly by slowly, the traffic is a bit
bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper. And we don't know yet what will be the next as soon as we reach to the Eastern Main Road.
Still raining.
We are now heading downward, and we are a bit closer to our home. This is the situation right here in Trinidad. As long as the heavy rainfall occurred, it's 100% there will be a heavy traffic everywhere. As you can see, although Lady Young is 1,000 feet above sea level, still it is traffic. This is always happening if rainfall occurred in Port of Spain. I am right now at Lady Young, and below is the city of Port of Spain with rain shower and cloudy sky. We take a rest for a while since the heavy traffic right here is ongoing, and I have to pee. Thanks God, we are now closer to Eastern Main Road junction from Lady Young, and it seems that heavy traffic almost subside, but we have to be careful while driving because of slippery road when wet. Now, we are almost at the traffic light of Eastern Main Road. And as you can see, at last, we reached to our destination in San Juan. And we are almost 100 meters away to our apartment. Therefore, we have to drink coffee, take a rest and sleep, because the whole day heavy rainfall occurred here in Trinidad that caused traffic everywhere.